Hi everyone, this is Yin from Craftivity, and I would like to introduce to you our business startup kit for candle making. Now, this is a kit that we created for anyone who has a dream to make their own candles and to start a small business to sell candles. This kit has been designed to be foolproof for you to start making candles without going through all the R&D processes that takes a long time. Any candle needs to go through many hours of R&D, product testing, fragrance testing, wick testing, diameter testing, burn tests in order to make sure that the candle works well, lasts long, and is safe to be used. So we've cut short the entire process for you by creating a kit that is ready to go. That said, we have done all the research so that you don't have to. We have matched the fragrance oil to the wax, to the wick, to the jars, so that you don't need to go through those hours of R&D and those costly research and wastages. You just take this kit home and start making candles. Now, this kit that we have here is a 70-gram candle kit. You get to make 20 jars of soy wax candle in the comfort of your own home without the hours spent on R&D, because we've already done it for you. So let me walk you through this kit, what you will take home and how easy it's going to be for you to start your own small candle business. In this kit, you will get 20 jars of these amber glass jars. Now, we've done research on these jars and we've done a lot of R&D and burn testing for these jars to make sure that the jars are candle safe. A lot of glass jars in the market may not be suitable for candle making because the glass could be too thin, or there are deformities or micro cracks that can cause a candle to burn in a dangerous way. It may cause the glass to crack halfway through burning. The glass may not be able to deal with the heat of the flame in the candle or the hot wax. So we've done these tests on these cute jars, and it has been very, very durable for long hours of burn of up to 4 hours and more. This jar comes with a wooden cork to keep the lid on, to keep your candles clean and the scent retained inside. 20 jars of this comes in the entire set, along with our Perfect Pour soy wax. Now, we recommend using Perfect Pour because, well, it is creating candles with the Perfect Pour. Perfect Pour is a single one-pour wax where you don't have to top up the wax. The wax always cures and hardens with smooth surfaces. You don't need to blend the wax with any other wax to make it more stable. The wax has really good scent retention for hot scent throw and cold scent throw, and it creates very low soot. This is 100% pure soy wax imported from America. We have been researching many wax grades in the market, and so far we're really happy working with these partners. It has created many beautiful one-pour smooth surface soy waxes. If you've ever worked with soy wax, it's not as easy as you think because it depends on the grade of soy wax. Some soy waxes have a lot of uneven surfaces, deformities on the surface, as well as holes in between when you burn the candle down. With Perfect Pour, you don't have that problem. You don't even have a problem with thermometer. In this set, there is no thermometer for you to use because with Perfect Pour, it is just so easy to melt down, add your fragrances, pour the wax into the jar, and you're done. So that's why I recommend using this as a beginner to make your candle making journey super easy. So not only can you use this to make 20 jars of candles, you get to cut short your candle making and candle curing time. You don't have to do any top-ups or any repair works to your candles, and the curing scent works very well. So immediately after pouring, you just wait for a couple of days and then you can start selling your candles. That's how easy it is to start a business selling candles with our business startup kit. Along with this kit, we have our fragrance that we have specially selected for this kit. Now, these fragrances are candle approved. A lot of grades of fragrances in the market may not burn very well because they are not meant for candle making. Some fragrances are meant for perfumery, some are meant for diffusers. So we have chosen candle making approved fragrances so that your candles burn safely and burn long and well. You will love the fragrances because they are also one of our top fragrances, and it is something that is also very fast selling. Another very important ingredient to candle making, well, I wouldn't call it an ingredient, it's more like an accessory, is the heart of the candle, which is the wick. Now, to find the right wick that suits the soy waxes that you're using or the fragrances that you're using to the jar that you're using takes many hours of R&D. Over here with this kit, you don't have to do this kind of R&D anymore because we've done it for you. This wick is specially suited for this kind of jar diameter, to the soy wax and to the fragrance. We've done many hours of burn tests and it works very well. So you get to take home 20 weeks to make 20 jars of candles, and it's that easy. Along with that, you also get tools. Now, the tools that we are providing in this kit is a digital scale for you to measure the soy wax and the fragrance oils. You get a wooden centering wick holder so that you can center your wick in the candle to make sure that the wick burns straight down and not lopsided. You don't want a lopsided wick. You get a glass scientific grade beaker to measure your fragrances in. You get wick glue dots to attach the wick to the jars. Also, this set comes with a glass stirrer for you to mix the soy wax and the fragrances and stir it down, as well as a stainless steel cup to melt the wax in. Everything you need is here in this set, and what you need at home to make this is your stove as well as a pot with water so that you can sink this cup in to the boiling pot of water to melt your wax. So it's called a double boiling method. Now, along with this kit, of course, you'll be wondering, how do I even start making candle? Well, this kit comes with a complimentary bonus master ebook on candle making. Now, this book has been specially created by us to introduce to you the art of candle making, all the ingredients and tools needed, your to-dos and don't-dos for candle making, tips and tricks, and also how to care for candles that you've made. Along with this ebook, you will get full instructions on how to make candles step by step in the book, and it's a wealth of information in there. So here are quick steps on how to make candles. Attach the wick to the jar, make sure it's centered in the middle of the jar. Melt your wax in a double boiler. After the wax has melted, add in your fragrance and then pour into the jar. It's that easy. You can wait 7 days to 14 days for the candle to harden and for the wax to bind nicely with the fragrance oils before you start selling your candles. In the market, a jar this size can fetch up to 35 to 55 ringgit in retail price for a handmade natural soy wax candle. And this means that once you sell all your candle jars, you have enough to start buying more ingredients to make your next batch. In fact, you have enough knowledge by then to even go crazy and design and create your own candles. Candle making is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it is a very lucrative business to start off with. With 20 jars to start off, you can make and sell at bazaars to your friends and families. You can give it as gifts. You can even do parties where you can host friends or run workshops and earn money from workshops. There are many ways to make money out of this kit. And this kit is done so easy for you so that you don't have to do the research. It is ready to go. All the information is there. Plus, you get an ebook with all the knowledge and information for you to help you through your journey in candle making. I think we're good. I think there's nothing else. I think we're good.